Hey guys, it's October 10th. The water's cooling down. Well, it's still in the 90s, so I don't really think the water's cooling down a whole lot, but it is some. So we're going to go to the river. It's got to start snowing sometime. It'll be sooner than later, so I'm trying to get all the trips in I can get in before it really cools down and starts snowing on us. So I bought a new oar for the kayak yesterday. Some more of the 1/8 UV cut rainbow rooster tails. I'm going to take my ultralight rod and reel today. Because really, if you catch a 5-inch fish, it's still fun. And everything fights good. And if you catch a good fish, it's a really good fight, really good time. So you really can't go wrong with the ultralight. It's got 6-pound test line on it. We're going to go like we have the last couple of trips and hopefully catch some good fish today. And if we don't, we'll still have fun catching the babies. You make enough cash, you're always looking at good fish. So you stay with us, and we'll catch you on the water. We just now started. Got our first fish. Oh, they're battling. Ain't a bad little guy. Feels like a tank on this ultralight though. Hold still, bud. There's one hook. 2 hook. See? There you go. See you, bud. There he goes. I hooked up to another, like red eye this time. He just fought real good, then he started skiing. Caught him off that tree. That red eye we caught the last few trips, been right off that tree. Well, see you, buddy. Next cast, he's a little whatever he is, but it feels like a red eye, but I can't tell. Yeah, there's another red eye. Come here, buddy. I think red eyes are one of your best baits for rivers myself. Because everything in the water will eat a rooster tail. Trout, bass, bluegill, red eyes. I mean everything. Right, next cast, another one right here. There's another old fat red eye. What a red eye, that thing is, goodness gracious. The big guy. So let me get the emos out of that trim here real fast. See what I mean? Just like any kind of cover like that. See you, bud. Any kind of cover is great. More time right here's this log with this spinner. So I really didn't get to fish it. There's usually a couple fish around it. Anywhere I see structure in a river or right where the deep and shallow meet, kind of like you fall out shallow with your eyes and all of a sudden it turns like black or darker. Plus the other side's like rocky. I like that too. Smallmouth seem to like that a lot. The first one we hooked into was a decent fish. He wasn't bad at all. I'll throw that right there and see what happens. Maybe we caught the only one laying around. Oh, no, we didn't. There's another one. See anywhere like you see brush or anything? I mean, it might be another red eye. A small one, but ultralight tackle, rooster tails, river. A lot of fun. Can't beat them. See you, bud. I think that's pretty cool. Feels like they're popping willies. Let's ride it out. I think it feels funny. Come here, buddy. Thank you, little guy. You broke the monotony because it's been 30 years since I caught one. Still got it. Come here, buddy. Come on up in here. Whoa. But you could have jumped on in here. You almost did. Come here, little guy. That's why I love you little guys so much. Y'all jump and act crazy. Thank you. Here. Come here. Oh, was that you, Red? That's what you want. Yeah, a red eye. Quit flapping somebody. There you go. See you, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh, hello. I don't know how I even caught you, little guy. My other pole was hung up and I was trying to get it undone, and this little guy had a hold of it. See you, buddy. Come here, little dude. Well, get some. There we go. Easy release. It's trolling again. Got a little. Oh Lord. Well, I don't know if that ought to count, but I'm pretty sure it's the smallest bass of the year. See you, bud. Got a little fire early this morning. He by far jumped the most. Come on, man. Let me get you unhooked here. Before we get back at you. There you go. Well, it's a good fish over a minute ago, and I just had him for a second, but I know he's a good one. It sucks. Got another little baby. Hey, bud. Oh, there we go. Go easy. Little guy right off my bank here. I'll throw one towards the bank and one out in the middle, back towards the shallow. One in the shallow towards the deep. You never know where one might be laying. And this little jewel was lying over on the bank. I'm trying to find my bug or something, I'd imagine. See you, buddy. Ooh, a little better bass there. Come here, bud. Water's about almost shin to knee deep right in this little area. Come here, baby. Pop that right out there for you. Better grab my hemos here. I don't want to hurt. I don't try to hurt fish if I can help it. There we go. See if we can't get a nice little release shot here. He wasn't waiting around. He's gone. A little smiley action on the ultralight. I had a super glue handle on there a couple times. It's coming off again. Sucks. It's a pretty good little fish right here. By far the biggest of the day. It's actually pulling drag. There he is. Come here, old guy. He wanting to surrender. I like that. I love about these things. They don't have no give to them, you know. I thought it was hung up for a minute. Just started. Oh, good right on top of the mouth. Come here, bud. Hold still. Hold still. Grab a hold of you, beautiful. Oh, another beauty of a fish. I'll grab my hemostats here. Guys, home, that ain't a bad smallmouth there. So he's pushing a couple pounds. He ain't no record breaker, but hey, it's a good fish by anybody's standard, especially after light tackle. I got a hold of my hemostats here. There we go. Get a good picture of him here. Maybe. Love the old bronze backs. Thank you for the fight, buddy. I really appreciate you. There goes back home. Go from a good one to a baby one, but hey, we'll catch babies, big ones, mamas, papas, sons, daughters. See you, buddy. Poor little feller. Oh. Hello. Don't worry, we'll get the hemostats for these occasions. I don't want to hurt you, little guy. Let you go back home. Just a second. See? It wasn't bad. There we go. Alright, buddy. Hey, little feller. First fish I've seen in 3 days, it feels like. Oop, see you later. Oop, oop. Calm down. Ow. See you, bud. Come here, bud. Thank you, Robbie. Hey. Another beautiful bronze back for the jack. Hey. Don't start. Don't start. I'll make sandwich out of you. A sardine, maybe. There's that hook. There's that hook. See you, bud. You go back home. Come here, bud. Trying to catch fish. Got Emily to the rivers. See you, buddy. Guys, we're going to check out the Virginia Iron Furnace. Here in Preston County. So far, it's definitely my favorite county in West Virginia. I love it. And you know I'm not going to go anywhere without the fishing pole, so I'm barefooted and soaking wet from our fishing trip earlier. But the boss wanted to stop, so we stopped. I seen a beautiful little hole of water. I gotta throw a spinner in it a time or two. Never know. Might catch something, might not. We're gonna find out. I really don't know what this was, so I'll get down here and I'll read the thing. I feel it says iron furnace is kind of self-explanatory, so. Imagining an iron furnace in operation. That's cool. The Muddy Creek. It's a beautiful little stream here. She's over there doing her thing, so we're gonna sneak off over here and do our thing. If I can get over the hill here. Oh my. I can get over it. Then back up, it's gonna be a little twisted. That's beautiful. You're a fisherman, you'll get where I'm coming from. Gotta try new places. I'd rather have a little worm, a little hook, but I don't. The water's beautiful. Oh, there we go. That reminds me like a trout stream back home in Virginia called Big Tumbling. It's cool to catch a little native right here. Who knows, it's possible, I guess. Right there's the spot I was really looking at right here. Beautiful little spot. I didn't plan on catching anything, but I had to try. Ow. I didn't plan on stopping, and Emily wanted to stop, so we did. So I don't have no shoes on. I have no shoes on or anything, so yeah. I heard that they was going to start stocking this little spots, but I have no idea. Oh, I thought I had one there. I don't know if that's a fish or a rock or me or what. Felt like a little fish there to me. I'll hit it again. Who knows? It could be me, or it could have been that leaf or anything. That's a beautiful little spot here. Well, I've been able to explore these little places like this, show them to you all too. Be careful here because it's really slick and I'm barefooted. There we go. Nevertheless, it's cool. Something different to check out. Hope you all enjoy the iron furnace. There's a bigger hole here in front of it. We'll check it out real quick. That is cool. Wow. Check that out. It's pretty cool. Huh. I love getting out, finding new places, exploring new areas. Preston County, I love it. So I hope y'all enjoyed it.